Hey everybody, welcome back to Lightyear Frontier. So once you have reached the second milestone in the resource delivery cannon, by completing a couple of the deliveries, you will unlock the grinder. So you're going to hit B to open up the menu. It's going to be underneath the first set, and it's going to be the fourth one over. Now in the grinder, you can make sand from stone. We're going to put a little container right here. It should hopefully should hopefully catch the sand as it's finished. At a speed of time, we're going to go ahead and go to sleep. Let's see how our grinder did. Alright, nice. So now we have 20 sand. And now, if we wanted to, we could use that sand to make clay. And out of that clay, we could do a brick wall if we wanted to. You know, we could change out the house and make it brick. Or we can add some cute decorations, a gnome, coffee cup on the table, some hanging plants. Cute little flower pots. So that just adds to our coziness level and makes the house look a little brighter. Go ahead and do a non-window wall here since we don't have windows yet. And now the house looks so much cuter. Oh, we need some more clay. You of course can be more creative with the house if you want to, but right now I'm just doing basic house since we're still in that beginning phase. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give us a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe.